Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to use film simulation in your Fuji camera. If you don't know, film simulation actually helps us to simulate the image in the camera when you take photos. And also film simulation helps us to enjoy different color tones and rich gradations. So the Fuji camera has different simulations depending on the camera you use. So most camera has around 15 type of different simulations. Anyways, now I'm going to show you how you can use film simulation in your Fuji camera. So let's get into it. So I have got an iPad here and I'm going to use the remote app. If you don't know how to use that, I have a different video on that and you can have a look. Right, so iPad is now connected with the camera, with my Fuji camera. Here we have different options as you can see, but we are going to use this little icon and the film icon. Click on that and now we have different film simulation available in this camera. So first we have standard. You can use this one for any standard use, and then we have vivid. As you can see, as we are switching the color tone and overall color gets affected, and then we have soft, we have classic chroma, we have pro negative high, pro negative standard, across YE filter, across R filter, across G filter, monochrome YE filter, monochrome R filter, monochrome G filter, and sepia. These are the film simulations available in my Fuji-X camera. However, depending on the camera you use, you may have more options. So friends, in my opinion, this is very useful to simulate your image in your camera, so that you do not need to put much effort for editing after taking photos, so that you can use the pictures immediately. And also note that film simulations can be applied in raw image, so it actually improve the image quality a lot. These simulations can be very beneficial for color grading if you really know how to use them. If you can use the right simulation, that can be ultimately beneficial for color grading. So friends, I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Goodbye.